Good day, I'm Mr. Aram. Let's study Computer System Servicing for Grade 11, Quarter 3, Module 2 about types of network cable and network architecture. Expectations. After completing this lesson, you should be able to number 1, recognize the types of network cable. Number 2, compare the difference between peer-to-peer and client-server network. Number 3, appreciate the importance of network cable. Let's have a pretest. Direction, match the definition of column A to the term of column B. Number 1, this cable commonly used in television industry. Number 2, centralized computer is a hub to which workstation is connected. Number 3, transmits light which reduce the risk of interference. Number 4, consists of two or more computers share files without requiring a server computer. Number 5, it has two unshielded wires twisted around each other. Let's have a recap of our previous lesson. Direction, read each statement carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, a bundle multiple network ports together to connect incoming and outgoing lines including those for local area network. Number 2, a device that converts data into a format suitable for a transmission medium. Number 3, a computer network which spans over a large geographical area such as country or the world. Number 4, a device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect to a wired network. Number 5, a computer network which connects two or more LAN networks in a city or town. Lesson proper. What is a network cable? Network cables are used to connect one network device to another network device or to connect two or more computers to share printers, scanner, etc. Lesson proper. Types of network cable. Number 1, unshielded twisted pair cable. A popular type of cable that is commonly used for local area network. It has two unshielded wires twisted around each other. Number 2, shielded twisted pair cable. The extra covering of the STP cable provides extra protection to prevent electromagnetic interference. Number 3, coaxial cable. This cable commonly used in television industry. The metal shield surrounding the cable helps block interference from fluorescent lights, motors, and other computers. Number 4, fiber optic cable. Transmits light rather than electronic signal, which reduce the risk of electrical interference. It is ideal for environments where electrical interference is present. Network architecture refers to the way network devices and services are designed to serve the connectivity needs of client devices. Number 1, peer-to-peer network. This consists of two or more computers share files and access to devices such as printer without requiring a server computer. Number 2, client-server network. A computer network in which one centralized powerful computer is a hub to which many less powerful personal computer or workstation are connected. The clients run programs and access data that are stored on the server. Advantages and disadvantages of peer-to-peer network. Advantages: use less expensive computer hardware, easy to administer, no NOS required, more built-in redundancy, easy setup, and low cost. Disadvantage: not very secure, no central point of storage or file archiving, additional load on computer because of resource sharing, hard to maintain version control. Advantages and disadvantages of client-server network. Advantages: very secure, better performance, centralized backup, very reliable. Disadvantages: requires professional administration, more hardware intensive, more software intensive, expensive dedicated software. Let's have a written activity. Activity 1, direction. List down three types of cable and explain or describe. Activity 2, direction. Give at least three differences between peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Wrap up. UTP cable is one of the most common forms of network cable used on wired network. Ethernet cables connect devices within a local area network like PCs, routers, and switches. These limits are one reason there are different types of cables optimized to perform certain tasks in particular situation. Network architecture is a design of a computer network. It is a framework for the specification of a network physical components and their functional organization and configuration. Valuing, direction, read and answer the following question carefully in 2 to 3 sentences each number. Number 1, what are the importance of network cable? Number 2, cite a situation in which you can apply the knowledge of peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Post test, direction, identify and choose the answer from the box. Write the answer on the blank space. Number 1, the extra covering of the cable provides extra protection to prevent electromagnetic interference. Number 2, a computer network in which one centralized powerful computer is a hub to which many less powerful personal computer or workstation are connected. Number 3, transmits light rather than electro signals which reduce the risk of electrical interference. Number 4, this consists of two or more computers share files and access to devices such as printer without requiring a server computer. Number 5, the metal shield surrounding the cable helps block interference from fluorescence lights, motors, and other computers.